Welcome back, everybody. All right, so let's go ahead and let's learn something called an if statement. It's actually really important that you learn how to do that. So what we can do here is we can type in if, and the way it works is that we have if, and I'm just going to write this in pseudocode, by the way, if condition action, like this. So, for example, if I were to take an if statement in real life, it'd be if it's raining outside, you should wear a rain jacket, or if it's raining outside, you should take an umbrella. So an if statement is exactly that. So let's just go ahead and go. So if a main is double equal to 3, okay, and you need the double equals there. And if you're coming from other languages like JavaScript, there are 3 kinds of equals. There's equals, double equals, and triple equals. In this case, we're just going to make it double equals, and we're going to go ahead and add that in here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in. Just have to make sure that the main is there like that. And we're going to say, we're going to go a main is equal to a main plus 1. So we're just going to add 1 to a main. Okay, let's go ahead and run this here. And there we go. And it's simple enough. We have a main equals a main plus 1. And just for fun here, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to comment this out. Okay, so we're going to run this. So we have 4. So the way this works is that we have int a main is equal to 3. Okay, so we have a main is equal to 3, and then we say if a main is equal to 3, then we're going to go ahead and say int a main is equal to a main plus 1. And by the way, if you're into games, this is what you have to do to add score, is the variable equals the variable plus whatever or minus whatever. And we can go ahead and even subtract if you want. You can go and subtract 1, and let's take a quick look. And there we go, it's equal to 2. So because it's true here, a main is equal to 3, this code is going to run. If it's not true, so for example, if I say if a main is equal to 2, which it's not equal to 2, it's going to completely bypass this code. Okay, so if we take a look at that, and a main is equal to 3, because in this case, it says is a main equal to 2, and it's not equal to 2, so it doesn't run this code. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.